morning, everybody. This is Mike with Rip or Die Trading, and we are live trading ticker symbol AMD this morning after a huge spike yesterday. Just trying to figure out what it might do today. It's in the post market, 2450 held it down, and it held it down a couple of times here in the pre-market, and then once it got through it, it's kind of held as support briefly, and then it took off. So it came close here and then bounced. So I'm guessing it could wash out a little bit at open and somewhere around the 2450 to 2441 area. Start to gather support and then go up again. It's been up the last couple days, pretty big. Last time AMD showed steam like this, it felt like it went up for 2 weeks. Shorts were getting killed on it. I know, because I was one of them. I kept buying put options saying it's got to come down sometime, and it just kept going and going. So hopefully it does that this time. I've got about a minute left before the bell. Did you guys see the crazy shit with Amazon yesterday? It just went up all day long. Earnings came out, it dropped 50 bucks, went up 100 bucks, and then dropped 150. Craziness. Wouldn't you like to had some puts or some shares short there? Alright, about 20 seconds to the bell. Again, I'm trying to be disciplined, so I'm not going to be jumping in the first minute. Most likely, it's probably going to be 2, 3, 4 minutes before I make an entry. But my bias is that it drops down, and then I go long once it gathers support. Let's see what happens. 3 seconds. Alright, we're getting a little drop down. There's our 2450. Let's see if we get to that 2441 area. Gathering some support. Now I want to jump in long right now, but it's kind of too early for my new plan. Probably would have worked out pretty good though. Whoa. Glad I didn't. Look at that. There's that 2441 we were looking for. Well, so at this point I'm looking like it, just waiting to see what happens. This is where I thought it could gather some support if it fell down. And then we'll see the reaction to the 2450 area. If 2450 holds it down on a pullback, then I'm thinking short. If it breaks through that, no problem. I'm looking to get long. At this point, it's too much of a gamble for me. I'm not playing the gambling game anymore. I'm trying to be smart about this. We've got a support around the 24, 26, 25, 26 area if this keeps going down. All right, let's see what happens here. Kind of holding it down, holding it down. That could have been the spot. All right, we're short here. I gotta go to work early today, so I'm probably gonna take some quick profits and be done early if I can get this one to work for me. I'm not liking this support here. We need to break through here, or I'm gonna get out. Come on now, get through 30. Man, it does not want to get through 30. Bunch of people there. There we go. This is where I thought it would be hard to get through, so I took half of it. But it went right through it. Wish I'd have held that a little bit longer. You know what? This is showing a lot of support here. I'm just going to get out. I got to go to work, and I got stuff to do before work, so, you know, this is an area that I've shown support, and I don't want to mess with it. And that was a pretty quick one there. We got in a couple minutes, 90 bucks with 500 shares. I'm happy with it. There we go. See, it's bouncing back up now, so I'm glad I got out. All right, guys. It's easy money today. Having a plan, sticking to it. You know, we saw it wash out here. Had we been too eager and we got in at 35 right here, it comes all the way back to 50. I don't really like to hold through more about 10 cents to limit my risk. So, I'm probably would have been stopped out had I got in too quick. It came up, hit 24.50, bounced back and forth a couple of times. We got in a little lower than we wanted to, 24.45, but got in. We had an area of support that we were watching. We took profits when we hit it. It bounced around. Didn't look like anything good was happening, so we went ahead and locked it up. Sure enough, as soon as we locked it up, look, it's ripping the other way. And if I was going to be here the rest of the day, I'd be watching this to go long, possibly. I'd see, let's see. I'd want to see a pullback and see this 24.50 act as support for it now. We'll hang on a couple more minutes and see what happens. Get this ready just in case I get froggy. But we had a plan, and it was for, a drop. It went a little bit further than we thought, but no, I thought this was going to rip after the drop. We don't know if this is just a little fake out and it's going to go further, but I'm looking at NVIDIA, and it's ripping right now. SPY's bouncing back. Apple's going up. Let's see what Amazon, is it trying to do anything today? Yeah, Amazon's, starting to go up. So, see, I would have thought about getting long right here. I was looking at the other stocks when it bounced down here in this area. We would have had 50 bucks already had we been paying attention and jumped in on this area. It's struggling. No. I have this set up where the first 5 minutes, then it puts an opening range for the first 5 minutes, 24 and 24.20, and then this 24.71. You can see for some reason that tends to act as support and resistance too. People watch these things, so if it breaks this 24.71, expect a pretty good pop up. There we go. Broke it and we got the pop. So if we had been paying attention and gotten here at this 24.50, probably, let's see, what's the low of this one? 24.53. Even like 24.55, somewhere in there, we'd be up $100 right now. So in less than 2 minutes, and I still could have got out of here and got to work. So let that be a lesson. Pay attention, especially we had some action here and a plan, and then I decided to look around. So, oh well. I'm going to go ahead and shut it down so I can get my shit for the day done. If you guys like these videos, the best way to show me is to like and subscribe. Tick the bell if you want to be notified when the videos start. And hit me up in the comments or email mike@ripordieTrading.com if you have any questions or comments. I'd love to hear them. You guys have a great weekend, and I will see you on Monday. I might be trading a bigger size. I'm not sure yet. I'll have to discuss it with myself over the weekend. Have a good one, guys.